Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a new amazing AI tool for art generation. The name of the tool is HitPaw. Here is the URL. The HitPaw AI offers a variety of AI tools. As you can see here, it's written AI tools. You just need to click here and there are a bunch of different AI tools. Okay, so there is AI tools for text, the AI tools for images, audio, video, you name it. So this is like a one-stop solution for all your AI tools. But today our focus will be on two incredible AI tools. Number one is AI Art Generator. Click here and then click on Start Creating. Alright, before I show you guys the demo, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. Alright, so this is the prompt bar where you can generate images using text commands. They have already given you an example. Alright, so if you want something else, just click on this icon and it will generate different prompts. Alright. You can put in your own prompts, or if you're confused and not sure what exactly you're looking for, you can just click here and it will generate different ideas for you. Alright, so after you're done writing your prompt, you can select your styles. If you click here, you see there are a variety of different styles. Right, there's anime, oil paint, there's watercolor, there's game, sketch, anything you want, you can use it. Okay, so for example, let's just say I'll use the cyberpunk. So if you go here, you can even select the artist style. For example, if you want the art in the style of Da Vinci, you can do that. There's Picasso, there's Van Gogh. Alright, so let's just try Picasso. Let's see how the AI does it. So once you're done selecting it, click on Generate and give it few seconds. Alright, and just like that, your image is ready in few seconds. How cool is that? See, this is like our beautiful fantasy city. They gave you two different options. So if you like any of these images, you can just click here and you can download it to your computer. Alright, so if you don't like any of these images, feel free to generate more results and explore further. You can click here and you can change the prompts. You can even change the style. Okay, and then generate. And there you go. Your AI image is ready in just few seconds. As you can see, the results are truly awesome. So moving on, the next tool I wanted to show you guys is this, the background remover. Okay, just click here. Alright, so with this tool you can easily remove background from any images with just one click. Alright, so let's upload our image here. And boom, there you go. See, the AI has removed the background in just few seconds. How cool was that? Here is the original picture, see, with the background, and this is without it. Alright, so once you're satisfied with it, just click on download and save it to your computer. It's that simple. Alright, so hitpaw.ai, a bunch of different AI tools at your arsenal that you can use in your daily assignments. Alright, so that was it for today. Hitpaw.ai, go check it out and you will have all these amazing tools in your arsenal. If you want me to make more tutorial videos of any of these tools, just let me know in the comment section and I'll make one for you. I hope you find these tools helpful, and make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.